Hi guys, today's tutorial is short and often used for decoration in macrame. One of the things I love about this knot is that offers two different faces which can both be used in your work. Let's get started. First, you cross the two outside cords in behind of the inside cords. Then you pull the inside cords through the loops created on. Next, you pull the two outermost cords through the loops. Pull them, close the top and tighten. Repeat the process until you have a piece of this knot of your desired length. If you love the short video like this, please let me know in the comments. I will try to make more short videos for you guys. And I also really hope this video is helpful. If you're enjoying my tutorials, it would really help me out if you could hit that thumbs up button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.